Hi, everybody. Professor Gustin here. You're in human biology, and we're in week 10. And this week, we're going to be taking exam number 3, and we're also going to do some lecture and lab material on the eye. I think this is a really cool picture of some irises, some photographs of the colored portion of your eye with the pupil in the middle. So hopefully you'll get an appreciation for some of that. So I have a video. What I would recommend is that you take exam number 3 first because the eye information is not on the exam. So do that after the exam. Do some studying. It's 38 multiple choice questions. It's actually 39 because I put a bonus on there. From week 7, 8, 9, digestive, respiratory, and nervous. A lot of the material on this test are parts and what they do. Look at pictures, know the parts, know what comes after what, and what those parts are doing. So, and if you need to do a respondus practice, remember that respondus practice quiz is in the week number 3 folder. You can do that again if you want to make sure it's working on your computer. So once you're done the exam, then I would go to the lecture study guide. I have a couple lecture videos. Notice there's not a lot here because I gave you a little bit less than normal because of the exam. And once you're done filling out your lecture study guide, you want to do the adaptive learning lecture assignment. The lab handout talks about the eye, and there's lots of virtual labs that have all sorts of cool things about the eye. And then finally, a lab quiz. So pretty straightforward this week. One big thing I would like you to be aware of is week 10 for all your classes is the last week that you can drop a course with a W. So if in this course or in other courses that you're not doing very well and you're considering dropping the course, one thing I always recommend is to talk to your advisor or go over to, even better, go to the EAC, Enrollment Advising Center in the Commons, or call them just to make sure if you do drop a course that it's how it's going to impact your financial aid if you have that. So if you're going to drop a course, this is the week to do it by the end of the week. And what it does is on your transcript, you'll get a W just saying you withdrew instead of the letter grade that you earned. After this week, you can't drop a class and you will receive whatever letter grade you earned. So that happens at the end of this week, week 10. But otherwise, have a good week. You've got a lot of stuff to learn about the eyeball, and hopefully you'll get through this test pretty smoothly. Good luck. Take care.